We would like to request the Ivy Illuminator to please present the award together with Sir Wendell Astrero and
Of Pinay 2024 is the Honorable Queen of Southeast Asia, Miss Dayanara Perez.
congratulations, Queen Dayanara Torres, our Queen of Pideco 2024. Hindi pa rin talaga kumukupas. Yes, and it's truly a comeback of Miss Dayanara Torres.